Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole with avocado toast. First, choose 2 to 3 ripe avocados that are slightly soft when gently squeezed. Next, finely dice about 1/4 of a red onion and chop a small bunch of fresh cilantro. Have 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice ready, along with a pinch of salt and a dash of hot sauce for a little kick. Now let's make the guacamole. Have your avocados, remove the pits, and scoop the creamy flesh into a medium bowl. Use a fork or a potato masher to mash the avocado to your preferred texture. Some like it chunky, others smooth. Stir in the lime juice, diced red onion, chopped cilantro, and salt. Mix everything gently, then taste and adjust the seasonings to perfection. For the avocado toast, begin by toasting 2 slices of your favorite bread until they are perfectly golden and crisp. Once toasted, spread a generous, even layer of your freshly made guacamole over each slice. You can add a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a bit of heat, or a dash of everything bagel seasoning for extra flavor and texture. This simple step elevates the entire dish. Your delicious guacamole avocado toast is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor the fresh flavors and perfect textures. This versatile dish makes a fantastic breakfast, lunch, or even a light dinner. It pairs wonderfully with a fresh fruit salad or a light, refreshing soup. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.